if you have something you want me to feature here in Solomon Islands, we can do that. I actually have one follower who used to be here. A special shout out to him. He's already staying in New Zealand, and he mentioned to me that he stayed here, somewhere here. They call it, this one is a cricket field before, now it's a rugby field. Yeah, here we go again, guys. 6th of March 2026. We're driving here at Mendana Avenue. This is an update. Again, I'm already here for more than a year, and this is we started here at the Honiara City Council, which is there at the back of me there, and we're going towards as usual, we are going towards town ground, the town ground roundabout, or the Ministry of Finance. And this is what's the update like. There is rain yesterday, so obviously there's no dust in the wind. Bus is here, and as you know, there's some construction going on the Mendana, or in front of the Mendana Hotel. And again, that's the very famous Central Market in the morning. But again, we are trying to drive slowly. Well, this is what we can have. You know, we cannot drive that fast because of the road. Time check is 7:37 in the morning. We have to change lane, and of course, onboard camera, GoPro 13 Hero Black. I actually have that the forest green, which is very cool. I mean, it's a different color for GoPro from the usual black. They call it black, but I actually get the green color. Ongoing construction for this building here. They call it the I don't know, I forgot the name, but it's a Melanesian kind of church. Hot bread roundabout. I designed that roundabout in here, and hopefully that will be finished sometime, which I believe is not. The design not finished. Some of this, most of this, until that HCC or the Honiara City Council area. Construction is still going on here. It's been years. That's one of the landmark here in Honiara. That's a big flag. It's going to the Solomon Ports, Commonwealth Street they call it. City Center building. I just wanted probably to feature those tallest buildings here in Solomon Islands, or I mean in Honiara. Stay tuned for that. So that is what is happening in here right now. I mean, they closed half of the road because they are doing the, we call it the seaside of this Mendana Avenue. So I just did that on some of the work there yesterday, and we are in front of the NPF building now. The National Museum, which I haven't went there yet, about the year. Mendana Kitano Hotel on that side. As for those of you who already came over here in Solomon Islands, this is how it's looked like right now. I don't know when did you came the last time. Again, today is 6th of March 2026. The breakwater, if you want some good coffee. By the way, this is not any particular no, anyway, that is the, there's also a palm sugar there. That's the art gallery. This is, we call it the HP roundabout because of the hotel, the Heritage Park Hotel there. That's a telecom. Again, traffic jam early in the morning. Time check is 7:41 in the morning. That's the General Post Office. What else? On the right hand side is the office of the Prime Ministers and the Cabinet. So this is now the town roundabout, which I did the design. Again, I'm so proud of that. It's not that so great, but I wanted to, you know, we only use what is the existing area that we can use. So this is, again, this is Lingakiki. If you are Filipino, if you are Asian, again, Lingakiki is the name. And yeah, that's all for now. It's good driving in the morning, guys. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So if you have something you want me to feature here in the Solomon Islands, well, we can do that. I actually have one follower who used to be here. A special shout out to him. He's already staying in New Zealand, and he mentioned to me that he stayed here, somewhere here. They call it, this one is a cricket field before, now it's a rugby field in front of this Osmart. Special shout out, sir. I really forgot the name, but he used to comment on some of my vlog here in Honiara, Solomon Islands. So that's all for now. It's just a quick update here, and I will be coming back soon or shortly. Bye for now. Peace.